course, PMPC Past President Chairman of the 37th Star Awards for TV, Mr. Roldan Castro.
Thank you. Won't take too much of your time. Thank you, PMPC, for the surprise. Akala ko mag-host na ako ngayon, pero may pagganito pala. So thank you, PMPC, at sa lahat po na bumubuo ng PMPC. Thank you to God, thank you to my family, my mom, my dad, my kuya. Thank you to all our directors, our writers, the whole cast and crew of Senior High. Sa management ko, Sir Erickson, Sir Jeff, Ate Gian, Cornerstone Entertainment. And yeah, ginawa ko ito panahon, madami akong binubuhat, kakamatay lang nung bunso namin. So inaalay ko ito sa kanya para sa iyo, JM. Thank you po.
So mag-represent naman ako ngayon.
Congratulations, bro. So just for
nakasulat eh.
You know, for a recap, Vito Boy had awards, Jella had an award, you had an award.
Parang ikaw dapat.
I'm hoping for this next category, I would win.
Dapat no?
Sana.
And this next category is for the Best Drama Supporting Actress. May
Okay.
chance.
I'm
Malakas yung
hoping.
chance. Malakas yung chance.